it slow me down, making no time. But I gotta keep rolling. Those are windshield wipers slapping out a tempo, keeping perfect rhythm with the song on the radio. But I gotta keep rolling. Ooh, I'm driving my life away, looking for a better way.
Now that's eerie. That's the sun coming up in the fog. Oh, Mr. Boo Boo. A happy, super duper. It's Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. Hope all is well, swell, and totally hip, and groovy in your neck of the woods. Mr. Boo Boos and I stayed at the wonderful Pilot truck stop last night. Got up this morning about 4 o'clock because our generator decided it was going to stop running once again. So looks like the generator issues, the generator woes are once again rearing its woey head here in my neck of the woods. And on top of that, Mr. Ranger Dog has got me really worried because he's not eating much. He don't want to eat too much. I can tell he's not feeling good, so I'm just not too sure what it is. I have a sneaky suspicion he might be having some allergy issues, because this time last year is when his allergy started flaring up really big time. So anywho, we're on our way to Brother James's house. I'm going to drop off Mr. Ranger Dog there. And then today on my lunch break, I'm going to drop off the generator back at the good people at Central Power Equipment. So, anywho, got to stay positive. Got to stay positive even though my anxiety is out of the roof right now. My heart's racing and all that jazz. I got to stay positive. Anywho, without further ado, let's get this most excellent, groovy Tuesday started, shall we? Well, it's Boxan. Oh, it's Mr. Ranger. It's so good to see you, my friend. It certainly is. All right. Just picked up Mr. Ranger Dog from Brother James's house. Worked a little overtime again today. That's always swell, well, and groovy. So it is. Anywho, dropped off the generator up there at the fine folks at Central Power Equipment here in Oklahoma City. Actually, it's in War Acres, to be specific. It's in War Acres. Anywho, we dropped it off there. They're gonna have a gander see at it, and all that jazz. So tonight, Mr. Boo Boos and I were on our way to go see our friend Misty. We're gonna stay at our friend Misty and her mother's house on their driveway. We are very grateful to be offered, somewhere to stay in the old VW bus for the evening. So, anywho, that's the dealio. Mr. Ranger Dog and I are on our way, so we will see you wonderful people when we see you. Hey, Mr. Boo Boos. Look at you. Good to see you. I see that the bed is made. You ready for sleepy time? Let's get some sleepy time in, shall we? Alrighty, my friends. Mr. Ranger Dog and I are posted up here at our friend Misty's, here on our wonderful, wonderful driveway. We're very grateful for the power and the driveway. I know Mr. Boo Boo's certainly is. I know I am. Anywho, it's super duper late. Super duper late. Until I see you wonderful people in the morning for some kind coffee talk. Hold on, I don't want to shake. My left hand is shaking. I don't know why it's just been shaking today. It hurts. I think I strained my arm. Anywho. Until I see you wonderful people in the morning for some kind coffee talk from right here in this old VW bus. Be kind to one another. Love one another. Be grateful for every single moment of the day. Because you never know. Peace. Love. And always Volkswagen. And thank you, Misty. Thank you so much for the driveway. VW Grease.